Hi, today I am going to discuss about Pymol. So we are using acetylcholine enzyme. So we can go to Pymol and go to get down PDB here. So acetylcholine is 2-ACE. Then you can download it. So can you see the molecule contain the protein and also ligand and the water molecules. So here you can see the ligand, and the red colors are the water molecule. So protein contained with spiral helix, beta pleated sheets, and just other chains. So I am going to do the active site detection. What are the bonds actively involved with the active site, and make a screen shot out of it, or whether you can take a video out of it related to the active site. So the main thing here we need to consider detecting the active site. So first of all, I will try to remove these water molecules. So beforehand, I will tell you what are these A, S, H, L and C. A is the action, whatever the actions you can perform, and S is the show, whatever the things you can show, and here H is to hide whatever the thing, and L is for labeling. So first of all, I will remove the water from so I will go to hide and go way down and remove the water is removed. Then I will select this atom, the ligand, then this was selected, and then I'll go to the action and rename as active. Just type active. So normally the hydrogen bonds, the van der Waals and all these ionic bonds has different diameters. Hydrogen has around 2.8 to 3.2 angstrom diameter, and ionic and van der Waals has around 3.8 to 4.2 diameter. So we can make whatever the related diameter around 5 angstroms to show as sticks. So then ligand is also in the ball and stick type. So whatever the surrounding interactive atoms will be shown in the same way. So I'll type this command, show as sticks, and then comma virus and all within 5 of angstrom, 5, then of what is the name we have given, active. Then you can see all these things are the bondings and also interactive atoms within the 5 angstrom is shown. So I would really advise you to remove the surrounding unnecessary cartoon. So you can select the H and you can hide the cartoon, so this will be disappeared. So you can use the left right mouse button and make it bigger, and the middle mouse to center them, and with the right again with the right mouse you can make it, and with the center you can position it and rotate it by using the left mouse button. So I'll keep it as in this position. Then I want to select the interactions, so I can go to actions and then go way down and find what are the polar contacts and go within the polar contacts whatever the atom selected. So I will just click this one, so then it will be shown up in the, so there are like hydrogen bonds and these are the bond, but can you see one bond which is missing? That means here we have active water molecule which is interacting with the carbon atom in the ligand. So this is how we show active site. And also I will recommend go to display and then change the background into white color, so it would be the best way to publish or take the JPG or a PNG format to insert into a research article. So that's all for today. We will try to do another Pymol tutorial with another protein soon. So bye bye.